What's up, everybody? It's Jason. I'm back with exponential opportunities here to save your business time and money. This is step 2 of the 10X HVAC Growth Plan. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how to take those ads that I gave you yesterday that are top converting HVAC repair ads and put them to work for you over in Google so you start getting phone calls tomorrow. So I got this letter in the mail and it said from my bank, and it said my bank card is going to be shut off because some fraud happened on their end and a bunch of files got leaked or something like that. And so it got me to thinking, how many things are like in the way to getting where you want to go? And like, that's life, that's real life. You watch a 30-minute sitcom, one thing leads to the next real fast, and it's entertaining and it keeps you engaged. That's not real life. Real life doesn't work that way, unfortunately. You have all these boring things. So I'm gonna do my best to walk you through this thing and save you 2 years of f***ing around. And you get the right ad active immediately, and it converts. You put in a few bucks, nothing comes out. You put in a few more bucks, nothing comes out. So you quit. You're like, this doesn't work. That is what I want to help you avoid. What we've done here is taken the very top performing ads that actually convert the whole way through, because let me tell you something Google doesn't tell you. It's not just about buying the click. It's about converting the person who clicked into a customer. You're just throwing money down the toilet. And I know what you're gonna do is head right over to Google and start learning about all these CPC, CTR, CPAs, quality scores, and trying to get it all figured out before you start, right? Just skip all that stuff, put this in, spend $10, and see what happens. And when it's working, up your budget. When you get a phone call, put some more money in there. All right, we'll talk about all that later. All right, so I've gone ahead and flipped my screen around and I'm taking you over to adwords.google.com. You can just search Google for AdWords. You'll get to this page. This is the page. If you've already done this, skip this step. You just sign in right up here at the corner. If you haven't, say start now and you got to sign up. Once you get signed in, you got this stuff down here on the left sidebar. You just want to go over there, click on campaigns. Don't waste any time poking around. Just get started. Once you have the campaigns open, there's this little plus sign right here. Click on the plus sign that gives you a new campaign. Now choose new campaign. Now, step 3, you want to reach customers interested in your product or service with text ads. Forget about all this other stuff. It's the one right here on the left side. You want to reach new customers. Click on that. Now you want to choose a goal, and you want to choose sales. Now scroll down to there, and how you want to get your sales is phone calls. Now when you want to put your phone number in there, now you want to hit continue. And now you want to go back to the ad from yesterday. If you didn't download it from yesterday, go back and get it from the last video. If you did, this is what, once you're there, you're gonna get this. All right, now that you have all the terms here from the ad yesterday, if you don't have this, there's a link around this video somewhere to go back and watch the other video and download this form here. So these are the terms you're looking for. You can just copy paste them right in there. What I'd recommend doing is taking the keyword that you get from here. Now let's say he's getting 2,000 clicks per month from from furnace repair. Let's say you wanna do furnace repair, right? So you take that one. Let's name the campaign furnace repair. Okay, use search network only. That's what we're doing. We're going to use the United States. We're going to use your advanced search, enter your location, where you put your city in there. You're going to do a 20-mile radius. Save it. Choose your language. If you have more languages that you speak, go ahead and throw them in there. That's good for you. I only speak one. Too bad for me. So here we get down to the bidding. I would maximize clicks. Keep on your budget. Put it at $10 a day and save and continue. Now in the ad group, I'm going to name it the same keyword once again. I'm going to put the keyword in there and save and continue. Now go back here, take the title, which his title was furnace repair. I'll take the body from over here, right? Furnace repair, go back over there. Put it in description line 2. Put your website right here. Put it in 2 times. Call reporting, you want it on. Now you want to save and continue, and you are done. Now as you can see over here, that's what it's going to look like to your clients when they call you, and they're going to go ahead and ring you up. Now I know that was just the tip of the iceberg, but it's enough to get you started. I hope it really works for you. I hope you get a call tomorrow and get some business out of it, and then you come back here because below this video, I've given you a $125 voucher to get started to have us manage it for you. Now if you get to the point where you want someone to manage this for you and do a really good job at it for you, then take that voucher, take us up on it, give me a call, and we will set you up with a really good campaign manager, and you will love the results. Now, what happens when all your competition is doing the same exact thing that you are? You're running into the bidding process. That's where you pay more than the next guy to get the click and to get the call, and it gets to $20 a call, and you start getting upset about it, and the customer starts to look at reviews because there's a lot of options. So they might scroll down, take a look around, and then call the one with the top reviews. Now, lucky for you, we've got all of that optimized for you, so you don't get into that bidding war. You make yourself the obvious clear choice, and we've even got ways to get around this entire process. So while you're doing it, you can still do it, but while you're doing it, you're getting customers on the side door where your competition is missing it. It's called finding the white space. We've looked into it. We know where it is. I'm going to show you on the next video. That's it for step 2. I know that was simple. It's a real down and dirty way to start, and it's definitely just the tip of the iceberg, but it's enough to get you rolling and get you on track. Now, obviously, we do this service for a living. If you want us to help you out, we're doing this for good faith, for goodwill, to start a relationship with you, and if you want us to manage it for you, we would be glad to do that. Any other services you want? Go ahead and look at our marketplace here. We have a lot of marketing services because we help businesses grow. By the way, I'm Jason Tropf from RSVP, and you're watching Exponential Opportunities, where we help business owners grow.